DJT Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Is the question. Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my exact arguments and my exact play. Trump Media Technology Group, I was willing to take it hard, but seems like, yeah, the price really just said, no, we're not going up. Now, before I get into it, just to give you context, I'm using my strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you this because that is the truth and I've documented everything. So, how did this look like? Let's go 4 hour chart. Yeah, so I was only really willing to take it higher if the price started going like double breaks from here to the upside. Let's go now 2 hour or 1 hour chart, but in reality, just punctured through the zone, never gave me a double break. So it's a like that never took a trade here up, so because they never gave me the bullish momentum. This is why I always say there's a big bearish momentum. Why would I go bullish here on this bearish trend? I'm waiting for the bullish trend to first take place, and then I can capitalize on the rest. And this is like something that has taken me 4 years, okay, to crack. 4 years to crack, and I'm giving you all of it for you. So the DJT, we definitely started breaking lower. Honestly speaking, now this is a bearish trend and bearish range. I'm only really going to take it higher or be bullish on DJT right now if I see, let's see if I see double breaks above here. Uh, but yeah, like really, because very, very bearish momentum. If I see double breaks, then I'm only willing to take it higher. It's not financial advice. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.